What I have here is my Firefly 3.0 design, my final and best design yet. Let's give it a go. Ember on. A nice ember. You see it? Okay, once again, there's snow on the ground, and I'm playing in my basement, so I'm going to take this outside and dispose of it. Now, come back in and tell you what's different with version 3.0. Back in a sec. All right, well, this is the Firefly 2.0, and this is the Firefly 3.0. The 2.0 worked really well, but I thought maybe I could make it a little bit more compact, maybe use a heavier flywheel and increase the rotational inertia and make it easier on the take-up. Sometimes I have to, if I don't, what I need to do is push down while I'm pulling away and release as it's winding back up. But sometimes if I forget to release just enough pressure, this one will stop on me. This one rarely does because it's got the heavier flywheel. It'll more reliably take up the slack if I forget to release the pressure. My Firefly 2.0 has a 3-inch cast iron caster wheel flywheel, weighs about 13 ounces. My Firefly 3.0 has a 4-inch caster wheel. It weighs about 2.5 pounds. The bore, I guess, the axle bore on the 4-inch wheel is large enough for me to put the square welded tubing all the way through. So the square tubing goes all the way through from here all the way to the top, and in fact I can take out the main shaft. I might be able to repurpose this flywheel for other projects over time. So this, the main shaft that I wrap my cord around, is 3 inches long compared to 4 inches here. I thought that I could get by with a little bit more compactness there. The bit, I'm still reusing my Goldenrod bit. You can see it's kind of working down to a nub. Whittled a square profile into it, and it just slips into the bottom. Anyway, that's the main differences. I kind of went with the same color scheme as I've been using with Firefly 2.0 and my pump drill earlier in the summer. Got a little red stain toggle just for no reason. My fireboard was a piece of lightly degraded white pine, which is working really well for me. That's really it. This one, I think, is the best design of them all so far. Once it's rotating, it's really easy to pull and to wind back up, and it adds a little bit of downward pressure and starts generating heat and dust and smoke, I think, even faster than the 2.0. The 2.0 was really quite good. This is even better. If you're going to build one, this is the one to build. Firefly 3.0. Have a good evening.